In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email on Wix. First, make sure you're on your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the marketing section and click it. This opens the toolkit you'll use for promoting your site. From there, choose email marketing. This is where you'll build and send your campaign. Next, open up the gallery by selecting View All Templates. Browsing templates first helps you quickly find a layout that matches your goal, whether it's a newsletter, an announcement, or a promotion. When you find a design you like, click Use Template to start customizing it. If you're prompted, choose Use Email Builder. This launches the drag and drop editor, which keeps everything visual and straightforward. Now, edit the template to your liking. Replace placeholder text with a clear headline and concise body copy. Keep your message focused on one primary call to action so readers know exactly what to do. Swap in your logo, set your brand colors and fonts, and update images. Compressed high-quality images help emails load faster and look professional. If you include buttons, make sure the link goes to the correct page. A quick tip: write a subject line that's specific and benefit-driven, and consider adding preview text that complements it. Also, check how your email looks on mobile within the editor, since many people read email on their phones. When your design and copy are set, click Next to move forward. You'll land on the recipient's screen, which asks, "Who are you sending this email to?" Here, choose your audience. You can target a specific group, like subscribers, recent customers, or any segment you've created, or select all contacts if the message applies broadly. If your list isn't in Wix yet, click Import Contacts. You can bring in a CSV or connect sources, then map fields like first name and email so personalization works correctly. Only email people who've opted in, and consider excluding inactive contacts to protect deliverability. After choosing your audience, click Next. You'll see a quick overview of your campaign. Take a moment to double check the subject line, links, and recipients. When everything looks good, click Send Now to deliver your message immediately. Keep in mind, Send Now starts the campaign right away, so it's worth that final glance before confirming. That's it. You've created, ticketed, and sent a mass email using Wix. As your campaign goes out, you'll be able to review performance later, like opens and clicks, to learn what resonates and improve your next send. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.